The Sealey PP1 and PPX auto probes. Powerful yet easy to use, these handheld testing devices include a 4.5 metre cable, enabling them to be used all round a vehicle. These clever tools can be used for continuity and polarity testing, and automatically indicate if the tip of the probe is detecting a positive or negative feed by using different coloured LEDs. They incorporate a sensitive protection device to prevent damaging the vehicle. This makes them ideal for DIY users, auto electricians and mechanics to carry out polarity testing, short circuit detection, location of bad earths, and checking continuity on a variety of components, such as diodes, fuses, wiring harnesses and switches. They can also be used to power up all types of 612 and 24 volt circuits, such as cooling fans, fuel pumps, window and sunroof motors, relays and lamps and wiper motors. This allows you to test components in situ on the vehicle. However, by using a separate power source, such as a battery, you can test continuity and power up components away from the vehicle prior to fitting, potentially saving you the valuable time and effort involved in fitting defective components. The PPX includes all the features of the PP1, plus an integral work light to illuminate the dark corners of an engine bay. It also has an audible alert with different tones for positive and negative contacts, which makes it ideal for situations where the LED cannot be seen. These excellent tools allow fast and accurate testing of your vehicle's electrical system, making them ideal tools for your toolbox.